Hey there, future sellers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in online transactions. Today, we're tackling how to use PayPal for selling items in 2025. With the digital world evolving fast, PayPal remains a top choice for secure and easy payments. Whether you're selling handmade crafts on Etsy or secondhand goods on eBay, this guide will get you up and running in no time. First things first, let's get you set up. Start by creating or logging into your PayPal account at paypal.com. In 2025, PayPal has made it even simpler with enhanced biometric logins for added security. Once you're in, verify your account by linking a bank account or debit card. This step is crucial because it allows you to withdraw funds quickly and confirms your identity to avoid any holds on your payments. Next, when you're ready to sell, navigate to the Send and Request section. Here, you can create invoices for your items. Be sure to include clear details like item descriptions, prices, and shipping info. PayPal's 2025 updates include AI-powered suggestions to optimize your listings for better buyer engagement. Now, for the transaction process. Once a buyer pays, you'll see the funds in your PayPal balance almost instantly. Remember to check for any fees, typically around 2.9% plus a fixed fee per transaction. Always communicate with your buyers and use PayPal's dispute resolution tools if issues arise. And hey, for extra security, enable two-factor authentication and only ship items after payment clears. One more tip. In 2025, PayPal integrates seamlessly with crypto options, so if you're selling high-tech gadgets, you might even accept digital currencies. Finally, always keep an eye on your seller dashboard to track sales and ratings. That's it for today's guide. If you're excited to start selling, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.